Yes.
Junk food.
Junk foods. Ano bang favorite junk foods mo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, ano bang naman na vending machine? Sige. Water. Okay? Coffee.
Juice.
Juice. Yan. Yung mga sinabi nyo, tama lahat yan. And meron tayo dito mga, ano kaya to? Drink. Yes, different kinds of drink. Meron tayo
Water. Coffee. Juice. Soda.
tea. Dahil meron siyang favorite. Ano ba ang favorite drinks ninyo?
Water.
Water? Bakit
White
water?
mocha with unis.
Sige, isa-isa tayo. Bakit water? To make yourself healthy. Okay.
Para mapagpanggap.
Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Down.
Turoy.
Listen. Ano yung house rules number 1? Listen carefully. Merong na-parasite. Makinig ko. Ano ang favorite drink?
Galing. Ay.
Wow, wait lang. Bakit? It's young. Friends in? Yes.
Sino
What's
yun?
your favorite drink?
Hindi makita ni Francil yung ano nasa board.
Why Dutch milk? Because it's sweet. Wow. Are you sure? Uy! Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, down. Okay. How about
My favorite is strawberry milk
strawberry milk? Why?
because I like sweet and sour flavor.
Why? Is it sour? Do you put lemon?
Because strawberry is naturally sour.
Okay. Did you go to Baguio?
I want to. I have money.
Ikaw naman man. How about you?
Buko juice.
Buko juice. Why? You're so healthy.
Because I have UTI.
Buko juice and pianos.
Para malas.
How about you, Cristel?
I have two.
Two. Okay.
Cookies and cream shake and then Dalgona coffee.
Do you know how to make dalgona? I think you know how to make dalgona.
I know how to eat, but to do it.
Okay. Well, you get there.
Okay.
We'll get it.
Yes. Settle.
My favorite drink is coffee from Starbucks.
Wow!
It gives you a yummy teacher's favorite is also coffee. Yes. How about you?
Pati mo.
Your favorite is what kind of juice? All kind of juice. Is it your favorite? It's your favorite.
I eat this already.
Yes, you can. How about you, sir?
I like soft drinks
Why?
because I'm very
Okay, that's why you like Kung sino yung mga pumili ng coffee? O si Dina and si Crystal.